I'm sorry to come in late. Are you having a nice dinner? Well, you haven't even started yet. I came just on time. Excellent. Thank you very much, friends. I'm always happy to be here to support the Tibetan Cultural Center with you, this important gathering place, a place of prayer and culture and a community. And as I always say, it's what you're doing in this place is what Kundun wants you to do, which is to build the culture in the diaspora, because your fellow Tibetans in China cannot do so freely. Because you can do so freely in Canada, you must do so here. You must build the culture here. You must transmit it to your young people. Get your young boys over here with the monks saying prayers instead of at home playing Xbox. Instead of being on television all the time and going to the movies, make sure they learn their Tibetan language properly, right? Make them proud of their Buddhist faith. Make them proud of Kundun as one of the world's great champions of peace and nonviolent conflict resolution. Make them proud of their Tibetan identity, because by being good Tibetans, they will be good Canadians. So that's what the Tibetan Cultural Center is about. It's all the money you guys are always asked to give, and your membership dues, and the fundraising that never seems to end, the contributions that we as a government have made, very significant contributions. All of this is for a reason, right? It's a very important reason. And the reason is to transmit to future generations, as we grow the Tibetan community here in Canada, the Tibetan culture and its Buddhist faith in its full, vibrant, living integrity as a key part of Canada's multicultural fabric. That's the vision. That's the vision. So, I hope you have a great night, and I am pleased to tell you I've been meeting our Project Tibet refugees everywhere. Ottawa, Toronto, Calgary, Vancouver. Small numbers now, but we're on our way to hit the target of 1,000. Thank you to all of you for what you've done. They are wonderful young people. Have you met our Project Tibet from Arunachal Pradesh? Let me tell you a funny story, by the way. Sorry. I guess I'm on TV camera here. Maybe I shouldn't, but I was told that it would be undiplomatic for us to welcome Tibetans from Arunachal Pradesh region of India as Kundun asked us to, because China claims that Arunachal Pradesh is part of the PRC. That's what I said. We actually, as Canadians, recognize India as the world's largest democracy, and Arunachal Pradesh is part of India. We thank India for taking good care of the Tibetans. And now, as His Holiness said to me, we think Canada can help share the burden and help these people have bright new lives. That's what we're doing. And now that we bring more and more Tibetans here, I am going to go to the United States and the European countries and say that they have to follow our lead. So thank you for all that you're doing.